Hey guys, going to give you a quick rundown on how to use the remotes. And this one, notice they're different colors. One is a two-way, one is a one-way. And I'll give you a quick rundown on how these work. You're going to see blue flashing. That is a one-way. It is not paging back. So one press, your park lights flash once, letting you know you lock the doors. Twice for unlock. On your two-way remote, your green flashback is confirmation as to the signal being received and transmitted back. Unlock, two flashes. So let's lock the doors. You can see the indicator showing your alarm is armed. Bottom button, push and hold for 3 seconds. First green is confirmation that the vehicle received the signal. Now it waits for about 3-4 seconds. Once it starts up, you're going to get your beeping back right away. That's your confirmation that the vehicle is actually running. Every 5 seconds, you're going to get a flash going around it, letting you know the vehicle is still running. Change your mind that you're not going out. Push and hold your start button down for 3 seconds again, and it shuts off. And your park lights and everything shut off, radio will shut off. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when the vehicle is running on remote start and it times out, the doors will lock on the vehicle. So if you're brushing snow off, and you toss your keys inside the vehicle, even if you put them in the ignition and turn it on, if you do not press the brake when the vehicle shuts down, then it will automatically lock the doors. And it does that because the remote starter doesn't sense the key. So keep your keys in your pocket all the time. When it's running on remote start, the timer is set for 45 minutes. Brush the snow off the vehicle, get in, stick the key in, turn it on, and away you go. Now, something else that with this particular system, your factory remote that you've got. There we go. Lock, unlock, lock. And once again, to shut it down, lock, unlock, lock. And I'll shut it off. So in essence, you have 3 remotes for the system. One is a two-way, and the other 2 are one-way remotes. So if you have any questions, give me a call, or you can bug Lisa. That works too. So talk to you guys later. Thank you very much. Man, I sound like I'm doing some kind of a promo. Anyways, thanks guys.